Hey guys, welcome to our Patronn Show, and we have Jenny here, our BDC manager, formerly a forklift driver. Believe it or not, is that correct?
That is true. That is true.
So tell me, how did it came about with Brooklyn Mitsubishi? Why Brooklyn Mitsubishi? How do you like it? How do you feel?
um, well, besides you being everywhere, I'm all about the challenge. A place that it's on the go, very busy. That's what I like. I don't like nothing slow, and I like to, I'm always, like I said, I'm always up for the challenge. So I
So
feel
you
like
like the
it's a
energy.
perfect fit. Absolutely.
So you like the energy. Okay,
Absolutely.
okay. So far so good, right?
Yeah. I've been doing this for, I want to say, 10 years, a decade. I started off just as a BDC rep,
Yeah.
and you just got to work your way up. You prove yourself, and I
Oh,
think
listen,
it,
I know we
uh
went through some growing pains, right? And it's just about how do we get from that and take it to the next level,
Absolutely.
right? We gotta regroup, right? And obviously you came on board and you got some girls that they're obviously learning the way that Jenny does it, right? Guys, Jenny can make up to 300 calls by herself, just so you know.
Don't
So
want to brag. Don't want to
so
brag.
up to 300, that's beast right there. So beast mode. So she's very very good on the phones and very energetic and that's good and that energy transpire right.
You
Just
want
like
to
I
embed
come
that
in.
in your people. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, you gotta be able to talk to me about the culture, right? Because a lot of people do ask like, hey, how does the culture there?
Brooklyn, Mitsubishi.
Yes.
I love it. The fact that it's very chill.
Yeah.
Everyone has like swag because you're from Brooklyn.
Yeah.
We even have dress down day. That's a big like. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
no, it's good. And I'm just not trying to boost it.
No, no, no.
Everyone's. I never really been to a place that really just made you feel like part of the family. They
Yeah.
they treat you like an equal. Doesn't matter
Yeah.
what zeros are behind in the check. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Everyone's equal. Everyone gets that respect, and that I can say honestly.
And guys, don't get me wrong, we do curse each other out.
Yeah, all the time.
Okay, at times, but
It's a love.
we ordering lunch right later on. It's like, what do you
Yeah.
want for lunch?
Absolutely.
And that's the relationship that I love about Bobby. Like we get into it and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, we always make it work. And it should be that way at a culture at a dealership, because listen, we spend a lot of time together.
More than your own home.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I want to make you feel that way, and I'm glad you feel comfortable that way. Um, I'm always here to encourage and listen. There's days that I'm having down days, and you guys cheer me up, right? Yesterday I couldn't get no sleep, and you gave me an idea to get something for my kid, and my wife's like, yeah, I order it. So great. So I was able to get some sleep last night, so thank you for that.
Perfect, no problem.
But you always gotta relate to people. You gotta be able to work with people. You don't know what they're going through and things like that. So I think that you on board, it's a great blessing for us, and
Appreciate it. Likewise.
we're happy to where we're going, where we're heading. We have some challenges ahead, right,
Yeah, of
with
course.
the new phone
Well,
system.
that's what it's all about.
Yes, it's all about challenging guys, and it's just working it out at the end of the day.
Once you
okay?
overcome those obstacles, and you can look back and you're like, damn, we did that.
Yes.
No better way.
So welcome to the team
Thank you.
again.
Appreciate it.
All right, guys, Jenny, Brooklyn Mitsubishi.